Josh.
Montana! Go Richard! Montana and Richard! Oh! Montana and Richard!
Oh, he let it go. You ready?
Come on, Richard! Man, this is such a good match. This is the show. Hey, there's Leo beside you. I know. Come on, turn your shoulders.
He didn't say Montana, did he?
I think he did. Yeah, because once you get off that mat, you stay with it. I pushed it back to start. Jeez, he keeps doing that.
Okay, now. Okay.
Richard's not doing anything else but Uchimata. Go Richard!
That's one of his favorite moves.
I know.
Okay, Montana. Okay.
When we were in San Francisco, he fought these yellow belts and it only took him 2 seconds to beat.
Why was he fighting against yellow belts?
They didn't have anyone in his division. I was fighting green belts.
Oh, really? In San Francisco?
Yeah.
Thank you, Carly.
That means crap.
Long time ago. Yeah, we fought, right? Once. We only fight once.
No, maybe more than that.
No, I think we only fought once. I don't think we ever fought each other.
We didn't fight. I never.
Yeah, you did me.
I thought we fought more than once.
I do on videos.